Hey, we're going to revisit Hank's Pizza with a new option now, Claude Opus 4.6. All right, here's the news. The Hank's Pizza commercial from the Super Bowl I'm seeing it multiple times per night on national TV. Also, I noticed last night there is a tweaked version being aired. They're showing a scene with profit on items sold with the slice, which kind of helps you understand how they're going to get there. The big news today, though, and the reason I'm doing this video, Edit with Copilot now has a third choice in the dropdown. Claude Opus 4.6, right? And here's the thing you have to understand. The UW Stout Weekly AI Meetup, Emily Laird, the latest models, the paid models, that's what we have here in Excel, are much better than the free consumer models, right? So, there is a ranking company who is scoring these models. Claude Opus 4.6 is getting a 1606 compared to OpenAI at 1460. That 150 point difference, it matters. It means that Claude Opus 4.6 is going to come up with a better result than OpenAI GPT 5.2 70% of the time in head-to-head. Also, hey, reminder, you want a Hank's Pizza t-shirt, I have the Hank's data. You download it, build a dashboard, either using AI or just your mad Excel skills. That deadline is end of the day tomorrow, March 27th. And also, while this is running, can we switch to another workbook while Edit with Copilot is working? I'm pretty sure we can. Worked the other day. All right, so we're going to come here. And this is the Hank's Pizza data with all the different tabs from the commercial. We're going to go into Copilot. Let's edit your workbook. Beautiful. We're in Edit with Copilot. Also, hey, this is great. The enterprise data protection. Now there. That wasn't there when we did the Hank's Pizza 2 weeks ago. Auto, we're going to go into Claude Opus 4.6. That's the latest model that we have available to us. And we're just going to use the exact same prompt from the commercial. I think this prompt should be longer. I think we should explain a little bit more. But this is what the commercial did. So let's do it. It is 3:05 p.m. We're not going to sit here and watch the whole thing reason. We'll just come back at the end. Just note how much time we pause. And also, while this is thinking, let me just come out here and do Control N for new. Create some fake data. Equal rand between 1111, right? As all this is happening, that was great. I'm able to go do Excel things and then come back and see how Edit with Copilot is working. I remember when this first came to Excel Online, I'm like, well, I really don't want to wait 15 minutes for this thing to work. And I appreciated the fact that it was in Excel Online because I never work in Excel Online, so I could be in Win32 while Excel Online was taking the time with the agent. Doesn't seem to be an issue. You can let that agent keep running, switch, do something else in Excel, and then come back and see how we're doing. All right, so I want to pause the video. All right, some 311, it came back and said that it was done. This rainbow border, I was grabbing on this in the last video. This is Microsoft trying to be like Siri that has the rainbow border when you're using Siri. It's just there temporarily to show what was changed. When you click done here, that border goes away. That's not part of the analysis. It's better. You're losing 36 cents a slice, but keep reading. The magic is in what people buy with the slice, which could be why they changed the commercial. 61% of slice orders already include sides or drinks. They're averaging $5.68 to $10.16 in profit. All of the green cells are your adjustable assumptions, so you can edit it to change. This is dramatically better than what we were getting just 2 weeks ago. And some various strategies down here. Offer a $1 cheese slice only, push the $1 slice plus drink combo, and bottom line, the $1 slice works, but only as a combo deal. This is nice looking. It has a lot of great suggestions. I really think it's important when you go into Edit with Copilot to change that auto. If you're just choosing auto, you're probably going to get OpenAI, which is older technology. Let's go with whatever the newest one is. In this case, Claude Opus 4.6. All right, well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.